Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing some important history question. So let's get started. First question, who was the viceroy during the formation of INC? Correct answer, Lord Dufferin. Question number second, name the ship on which Vasco-da-Gamma come to India. Answer, Sao Gabriel. Question number third, in which city East India Company established their first factory? Surat. Who was the first Secretary State of British India? Lord Stanley. Question number fifth, who was the founder of Natal Indian Congress? Answer, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number six, who was the last Governor General and the first Viceroy of British India? Answer, Lord Canning. Question number 7, who was the first Governor General of British India? Answer is William Bentick. Who was the first Governor General of Bengal? Answer, Baron Hasting. Question number 9, who was the first President of Indian National Congress? Answer, B.C. Banerjee. Question number 10, who was the first Muslim President of Indian National Congress? Answer, Badruddin Tyabji. Question number 11, who was the first woman President of Indian National Congress? Answer, Annie Besant. Question number 12, who composed the song Amar Sonar Bangla? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 13, on which year INC split into two groups popularly known as Surat split? Answer, 1907. Question number 14, when and where Muslim League was found? Answer, Decca in 1906. Question number 15, who was the viceroy during the formation of Muslim League? Answer, Lord Minto. Question number 16, who published New Lamp for Old? Answer, Aurobindo Gosh. Question number 17, who was the first Indian to join Viceroy Executive Council? Answer, Satyendra Sinha. Question number 18, in which year Marlow Minto reform were introduced? Answer, 1909. Question number 19, who was the main founder of Ghadar Party? Answer, Lala Hardayal. Question number 20, what was the old name of Ghadar Party? Answer, Pacific Coast Hindustan Association. Question number 21, what was the old name of Ghadar Party? Repeat ho gaya question. Pacific Coast Hindustan Association. Question number 22, when were Kamagata incident occur? In 1914. Question number 23, my experience with truth is autobiography of which famous Indian personality? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 24, who given the name Mahatma to Gandhi? Answer, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 25, where did Gandhi use hunger strike first time? Ahmedabad mill strike 1918. Question number 26, who said Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Answer, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 27, on which Satyagrah Vallabhbhai Patel get the title of Sardar? Answer, Bardoli Satyagrah. Question number 28, in which year Home Rule movement were started? 1916. Question number 29, who called Mahatma Gandhi the father of nation, Rashtrapita? Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 30, when were non-corporation movement started? Answer, 4 September 19. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more update. Thank you very much.